This is elevator number 3 at Fisher Hall at Duquesne University in Uptown, Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania. Unlike the main elevators here, which were Westinghouse, this one was an old Otis, but it was also modernized around the same time by Otis. This one's smaller. See, it's an Otis. Down one. Still has the laser film on the phone. Here we go down. Still has the original old Otis interlock. Here at 1. Up to 7. And here you go up. These are rather slow. I think this one may be a little slower though. Here at 7. Is this on the original motor? I don't think it is. Back down to 2. EDA phone, again in laser film. Fire operation, basic and nice at the same time. His office would be done. His big brother. I think this one may be on the original motor. Possibly, I can't say for sure. Or not just a basic newer Otis. Two. I think there's also a service elevator here. We'll check that out. Of course, that's going to be, from what I heard, it's a manual Otis.